everyone, this is Angie Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. Today I have another Halloween project. It's a really easy one, and we have some new designer series paper, which is our scrapbooking brochure. So if you haven't seen that yet, go check it out, even if you're not a scrapbooker, because some of the paper in there is so stinking cute. So if you go to my blog at stampingwithamore.com, in the right column I have where it says scrapbooking brochure. You can click on it and browse that. But yeah, we just came out with a scrapbooking brochure because we have actually Stampin' Up had an agreement with Close to My Heart. Close to My Heart was a scrapbooking company basically, but we have gotten some of their makers, and yeah, it's been really fun to get some scrapbooking stuff in. So I wanted to share this because I love this paper, but look how cute. I made a little book. Yeah, it opens. It's a treat holder. I'm calling it the Potions and Spells book treat holder, I guess. I don't know, but it's so darn cute. I did the back as well with the books, and I just wrapped it around like a book binding on the side. And this is what I'm sharing today. It's so stinking cute, and it's so fun for Halloween. So I want to show you what I got, the paper that I got, because this is actually the star of the show because it's so cute. So this is the designer series paper. It is called Halloween Memories. Oh no, I'll get to that one in just a second. This one, I put them both in this same one because they coordinate. Okay, so this one is the Halloween Spells 12 by 12, but look at this, how adorable this paper is. I love both sides. You can use both sides for Halloween. These are little bubbles, like witch's brew bubbles, and then the striped, I love this striped. We haven't had black and white striped in quite some time, and it has 3 of each one. Here's the purple, and then we have this one right here. Isn't that cute too? And then the striped on this side. So you can use these for other occasions other than Halloween, but this is the one that I'm using, and I'm cutting a 12 by 12 in half. You can make 4 of them out of this designer series paper. I'm making 2 out of 1/2 of this. So you can make 4 of them because you only need 6 by 6. So you're going to make 4 of them out of a 12 by 12. Now, getting to the other one is that it coordinates with the Halloween Memory sticker sheet. So this is the sticker sheet, and you can see I used the one that was here. You cast a spell on me, and then the little bat on here. I think I'm going to use this October 31st, but you can use every single one of these, y'all. You can even use these little sentiments here, but they just peel and stick. But I'm going to do it on some cardstock, and we're going to see how that one turns out. So let's get started with this. I love this scrapbooking stuff, y'all. They have one for fall that's so adorable as well. You'll be seeing that. So what we're going to do first is we're just going to score our box part. And this box piece is 7 by 6.5. So on the 6.5 inch side, you're going to score it at 1/2. So it's 1/2, 1, 3.5, and 4. And then on the 7 inch side, you're going to score it at 1/2 and 6.5. And that is it for our box, y'all. It's a really easy box. We're going to bring back the Simply Scored in just a minute after we cut this piece. This is the piece of designer series paper. We're going to score this as well, but I'll do that when we do the rest of the scoring on this one. All right, so we are going to cut this, and on this one that has the 2.5 inch, you're going to cut to that second score mark. You're going to cut off the top part, and you are going to cut into these. These are our little tabs. I'm going to cut this on because that's going to go inside our box. You're going to cut this one to the second, cut off the top, cut into these as well, and then cut that one right there. And then we're going to do the sides to the first score mark, And then you can cut into these as well. Those will fold inside our box also. And then these. And that is it, y'all. This fits a Hershey's bar. I put one of the Hershey's with almonds in that one. And yeah, it could fit some little Reese's Pieces, anything like that. All right, let's bring up the scoring tool again because I want to show you how I score for the box. For the book look, I should say, not for the box. All right, so not on this first one, but on this second one, you're just going to find your score mark here and then just score down. And then you're going to go to the next one, score down there. And then there's one more we can score. So you're going to have 3 score marks, and it looks like a book. Let's see if you can see the side of a book. Oh, I don't know if you're going to be able to see that. Can you see any of that? I hope so. We're going to do the bottoms here because this is going to fold up, so we're going to do these bottom ones as well. So we're going to just score there, there, and then the last one. We're going to do it on this side too. And it just makes it look like a little book, the sides of a book. So that's what I wanted to do with that. I want you to see that, but there you go. Can you see that right there? All right. So now we're ready to put this together. This goes together super quick and easy, y'all, because we are using the designer series paper and the stickers. So, oh, I wanted to show you one other thing too before we put this together, because I'm doing the sides a little bit different because I kind of messed up the sides of the other one, so that's why I didn't show it to you. That's kind of my template there. Okay, so I want to bring that back, the Simply Scored back here a minute. And what I'm going to do now after I go through that, I want to go over these again. And I'm going to use my fine tip black marker, and I'm just going to go in these grooves again. I just want to go back in the grooves because last time I got them all. I don't mind if they're a little wiggly because it would make it cute, but I don't want it to be really out of the lines. And I tried to do it after and it got out of the lines and I didn't like the way it looked. So you don't even have to do this part. You could leave it plain. But I just wanted it to kind of look like the pages of a book. So let's find this one. And like I said, I don't mind if they're a little squiggly because it does kind of give it a little character. But I actually went out of the lines on the last one trying to do it by hand. That's why I'm using this. All right, so there you go. Now we're ready to put it together. All right, this is really easy. So we're going to use some Stampin' Seal Plus, and we're going to put it on these front ones. Tuck these in right here, and then just lift these and line it up. And do this side as well. And then we're going to just tuck our little flaps in, put your candy in, and then just fold this in like that. So can you see where it looks like the book kind of pages? All right. Oh, we need to score this, and I told you I was going to score it when we did the other part, and I forgot. All right, so on this one, on this 6-inch side, we're going to just go ahead and score it at 2 3/4 and at 3 3/8, because it's going to give us a little bit of a binder look. You can just fold it if you want by hand, but I just like doing it this way. We're just going to fold these. Y'all, you can also round these corners, which I think I'm going to do this time. I'm going to round the corners to make it look a little bit more like a book. I was going to do it on that other one and I totally forgot. So let's round these corners. So you can do it either way. If you like it rounded, if you like it straight, just do you. All right. And now we're ready to put the box in here. So I'm going to put adhesive. You know, I'm going to use wet glue so I can line it up better. And this is going to go this way. And I'm going to set this down. Don't go over your score mark because you want to be able to lift that up. And then we're going to fold it over. Look how easy it goes. And then we're just going to put it on here. You're not going to do it on the bindy part. You're going to just do it on this part. Make sure you put enough so it stays. So can you see where it kind of looks like it's got pages there? Like I said, you don't even have to do the black. You don't have to put the lines in if you don't want. It's really cute just like this. Isn't that paper so cute though? All right, so we are going to now grab our sticker here. And I'm going to use this October 31st because I thought that would be really cute on here. I'm just going to line it up on here. And we are going to make our own little mat for it. You can use your trimmer if you want it to be perfectly straight, but I'm just going to cut it. And then I'm going to cut in these as well, so it looks like it's been made for this, which it is. Okay, isn't that cute? I'm going to grab a bat as well. I think I'm going to put a bat on this one. And I think I'm going to put a small bat. It has a bunch of bats on here, y'all. There's some big ones, some medium, and some small ones. And I think I'm going to put this one. I put it down here or up here. Let's put it up here with the other bat. And then I am going to grab my hole punch. And I am using the eighth inch hole punch for this. And we're going to put a hole at the top. Look how quick and easy this can be too. This could have been a quick and easy project of mine. I'm also using this gingham ribbon, black and very vanilla. Let's make a tip on it. And then we're going to string this. This is so cute, y'all, for a quick and easy project. Or for a teacher, wouldn't that be cute? Because it's got the little books on it. And we're going to tie a bow. You can use these scrapbooking papers for treat holders, for card making, for anything as well. And I love this ribbon, it's so cute. And there you have it. Look at how quick and easy that is. Isn't that cute? I just love this. I think it's so fun. The paper is super fun. And yeah, there you go. There's two, and it's super quick and easy. No stamping or anything. Just make your box, use your designer series paper to dress it up in your little matching stickers. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need any supplies, you can go to my blog at StampingWithAmore.com. This is my September host code. If you place an order, I'd appreciate you using it. And I hope you all have a blessed day. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe, hit the bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. And please share it with all your friends, where on my blog there will be an inspiration sheet where you can download and print all the measurements for this project. Have a blessed one, everyone. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.